I think that cat belongs to someone.
Damn it.
Today is a beach day with Gianni.
That's so cute.
What beach are we going to?
Lagoona Creek.
Never been.
Oh, it's a little fun. It's like a...
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed.
Made it to the beach. It is very beautiful here. Ah, it's like a little cove. The dog prints. Look how far the water comes up.
Yeah, not too close.
Wow. Wow. Oh my god. That's not that one. It's beautiful here.
Get down.
It's very sunny. Even this feels better than the beach in the frickin' summer.
I know.
Why is it like better? Wow.
I know it's a lot.
Snack. Snack. I literally bought hand warmers because I thought it was gonna be cold. But it's not. Oh, the little birds. Oh, they're so small. It's very sunny here.
I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry.
I can put my room on.
All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
And we out.